In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable JavaScript on Brave. If you've ever wanted tighter control over what runs in your browser, or you're troubleshooting a page that behaves oddly, turning off JavaScript can help. We'll walk through the built-in Brave settings so you can make this change confidently and understand what it means for your browsing experience. Start by opening the Brave browser on your computer. Make sure you're looking at the main window so you can access the menu. In the upper right corner of Brave, click the icon with 3 horizontal lines to open the main menu. This is your hub for all browser options. From that menu, click on Settings. Brave will open a new tab with a sidebar on the left and a variety of categories in the main area. Settings is where you control how the browser behaves, from privacy to performance. In the left sidebar, click on Privacy and Security. This section groups together options that affect what sites can do and what data they can access, which is exactly where JavaScript controls live. Next, click on Site and Shield settings. Shields is Brave's built-in protection layer that blocks trackers and unwanted content, and this page also houses the permissions that websites request, like location, notifications, and JavaScript. Scroll down to the content section. You'll see a list of content types and permissions that sites can use. Look for JavaScript and click it to open its dedicated settings page. JavaScript is the technology that powers many interactive elements on websites, things like menus, buttons, dynamic updates, and embedded media. Disabling it will significantly limit what many sites can do. On the JavaScript page, click on Don't Allow Sites to Use JavaScript. The change takes effect immediately. You don't need to restart Brave, and you should notice the impact as soon as you refresh or open a page. With JavaScript disabled, pages will load with a more basic layout. Some buttons may not respond, forms might not submit, auto-updating content will stop, and certain media players won't run. This is normal and a direct result of blocking scripts. A quick tip as you browse: if a page appears broken or missing features after this change, that's expected behavior under these settings. The goal here is control and privacy, so use this mode when you want strict, script-free browsing. You can always review this setting later in the same place if your needs change. That's it. You've successfully navigated Brave's menus, opened settings, gone into privacy and security, selected site and shield settings, found JavaScript under content, and chosen Don't Allow Sites to Use JavaScript. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your streamlined, script-free browsing in Brave.